Welcome back. I'm Dr. J, pediatric dentist over at Scripps Pediatric Dentistry. I'm going to share with you guys another question that's very commonly asked of me, and that is, Dr. J, what's the best toothbrush for us to use? So we did something. We actually went to Target and pretty much cleared their aisle of the variations of toothbrushes that are out there currently. Let's chat a little bit about that, and hopefully you guys will find this useful. Essentially, there was no shortage. There's so many options. I mean, it's just, an entire aisle of nothing but toothbrushes. And within their kids section, there's also tons of variety and variation. So let's look at one of these guys. This is an OralB product. They have several stages. We've used them for years here in the practice. They're one of the main things about them is they got characters that the kids are really familiar with, and it gets them excited. So that's a huge plus for us, utilizing the characters to get the kids excited about oral hygiene. Secondly, we have products that give us different sizes of heads, and really, when it comes to the selection of the head of your toothbrush and the shape of it, all the fancy stuff doesn't seem to matter a whole lot from what I've seen, okay? It really is the smaller the head, the easier I can maneuver it inside those cute little mouths. And so I generally will always advise, if you find the softest bristled toothbrush, and nowadays pretty much most of the stuff you'll find out there are soft bristled toothbrushes, but the softer the better. And to me, the smaller the head, the better I can maneuver. So additionally, some of these brushes will have certain features. Those features could be as cool as a lightsaber looking toothbrush when you press, it'll start making all kinds of noises, and maybe keep making that noise throughout the rest of this video. Here, let's ruin our video. Let's try it.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time.
There we go. Now, this particular toothbrush will keep making noises and lighting up for 1 minute. And that also serves as not only to make the boys excited about brushing their teeth, but it also gives them a sense of how long they've been brushing. So we actually really like timers, and this is one variation of a timer. Here's another variation of a timer, a little bit more compact, not as iahi and sorty for your kids to fight, but it does have a nice visual effect, and it gives them a sense of progress. So starts with one color, green, then it goes to yellow, then it goes to red, and this particular one, the same. It will light up for 1 minute. I would get my hands on the softest bristled toothbrush with the smallest head, and the one that my kid is willing to keep in their mouth for the longest period of time. And if we have some indicators for our kids to be able to visualize whether they've brushed long enough or not, it's always a plus. So I hope you find this video useful. And please feel free to leave us a comment if there's any other particular questions or videos you'd like me to do. Happy to do that for you guys. Until next time.